This is how my recliner arrived after I took it out of the box, put the pieces aside, and started assembling. I had to put a couple of screws on each side of the sides of the recliner. It's hard to record, that's why I did it this way. Again, I'm doing a couple of screws on one side, a couple on the other. Then there's two brackets that go on each side. Again, a couple of screws on each bracket. Very easy, straightforward. Once a little bit confusion here, putting the base of the seat. Tells you to connect it to the Velcro positions, but it's not very clear. I tried to put the back of it and it was difficult, so I needed my wife's help to align the brackets. Once I did that, it was easy. Now just make sure that I knew where the wiring was so that I could connect afterwards. I put back the base of the chair and connected it to the areas where it was. Align the brackets for the armrests. Very easy, straightforward again. They're, one side is wider than the other, so there's no confusion. Same thing as here in installing the sides of the headrest. And again, it's very easy to see which side is which. Once I did that, I connected the bottom with the top, and then I got the remote control, put the cable through the cushions and connected it, and then the cup holders. Afterwards, I moved it and I plugged it in, and you'll see my review. Hi everybody. So now that I put it together, you saw how quickly it was. I want to show you how comfortable and how easy it is to use. It has a little hook right here that you can pull, and then this will bring the leg part of it. You can lean back, and you can actually lean back a lot, as you can see right here. Very comfortable. It has the two cup holders, and very nice. It has a remote control, and as you can see, it pivots completely all the way around. And now when you use the controller, you can turn it on, and right there it gives you what is called the automatic. It just gives you all the modalities all together, including your legs, and then you can choose whether you want to do a different mode right there, and then if you want a specific one for your legs or your back or whatever it is, it's just that area. Again, this one give you a specific mode, and then you have the heating capabilities if you want to heat your back, or if it's cold weather you want to just be heated on it. It's very, very convenient, and again, it shows you with a green light what modality is on. And I like, for example, I like having the manual that gives you all of them together in different sections. So it has also the timer, and it will give you a 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and 60 minutes. And that way it will shut down in case you fall asleep or you forget to turn it off. But it's very, very convenient, very nice, very comfortable. Like I said, everybody actually fighting to use it here at the house. We watch TV like this, sports games or whatever it is that we do. And I know someone who has been taking naps in this one. So again, I have nothing bad to say about it. It is really, really comfortable, and the massage system, it works really well. Again, it took very little to put together. So I hope that you guys find it as convenient, as comfortable, and as good as a massager as I do.